Friends, in this lecture we'll see about the pie chart. Now as you see on the screen, we are having 10 products and their revenues, annual revenues. If I want to see the total proportion of the earnings of various products, then pie chart comes very handy. Let us do it. I'll select all these and I'll go to pie chart, and I can have a different choice. I can have this pie chart also, or I can have this pie chart also. Let me have the first pie chart. Now I want this slice to be different from others. I would like to explode them apart, so I can drag it out like this, and I can have a little explosion among them. If I can drag further, the explosion is more bigger. After that, I want to edit it out. Let me have a double click on this, and when I double click, format area comes up, and I want to work on these slices. So I click on these slices, and in the last option here, that is series option, I would like to see this blue color slice on the front. I can angle it out so that it can be in the front like this. You can angle it out, and you can have an explosion as per your choice. If I want to, you see the problem is that these are very little values and unable to be identified easily. For that, there is another option. I'll go to change chart type here, and again go to pie, and I select the pie of a pie, this portion, and I said okay, and now it shows it like it selected a number of small values and show it as a different pie of a portion. And from here I can add the data labels. All values comes up, and when I click on this slice and go on the last one, go on the last option, here you can see it says values in the second plot. You can increase it by, let us say, if I increase it by 5, then the last value 6, I'll decrease it by 1, again 4. This 6 will also include here in 12, and it will become 18. First of all, this is looking quite, I'll select this and I'll go to home and make it bold and increase a size little by, let us say, 12, so that I can see the values more clearly. Now I'll select a pie, and here I can increase 4 by 5. As I increase 4 by 5, you see here it is showing 6 comes up here rather than here. And explosion is, you can increase or decrease the explosion. You can decrease the width between the two pie charts, and you can increase or decrease the size of the other one also. That what visibility size would you like to show up on this. So this is one good option. After that, if you are still not satisfied with this chart, you can change the chart. You can go to design and change chart type, and in the pie chart you can have a 3D chart like here, and you said okay, and you can have a 3-dimension chart also. Another good method is you can select these, and here you can change the angles. Here, as you know, we know the explosion type, we all have done that. Another method of doing an explosion is you just by a single click you drag out. You have a single click, do not even drag it out like this, and you can have an explosion like this also. These are some methods. Now second part is a donut. Let us see the donut. In the donut, you see, if I make a pie chart of the value, in previous pie chart we are having only one set of series and we make a pie chart, but if we are having more than one series, what we have to do, let us try it out. I'll go to insert and make a pie of this. Pie will not be available for both the series, although it is selecting the data, but the series is not available. So in that case we have to use the variant of a pie chart, and that is a donut chart for comparing like this. So let me have it. A donut chart is there. We can have now a comparison. Here we can add the data levels, and again if we click on the rings of this, and we are having that colors, then shadows for editing, and the last one is a little bit different angle of first pie or first in front. Donut explosion, you can make them apart like this, and the size of the whole, so you can lessen it like this, right? And explosion is more, you can reduce the explosion also. Now it is looking giving a good looks. So in this manner we can create different options of pie chart.